Imagine this, you wake up in the morning, stretch, check your phone, and see tens of thousands of dollars deposited into your account, money that came in while you were sleeping. No office, no boss, no stress, just pure, passive income flowing in, all thanks to the power of AI. Now, before you think, this sounds too good to be true, let me tell you something. This is not just a theory or some overhyped trend. This is real, and people are making $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000 per month by leveraging AI to create simple animated story videos that require zero animation skills, zero voice recording, and zero upfront costs. Think about it. How often do you find yourself scrolling through YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, watching those captivating animated story videos? Maybe it's a creepy horror story that gives you chills, a motivational story that fires you up, or a sci-fi adventure that keeps you hooked. These types of videos go viral constantly, getting millions of views, racking up ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate sales. But here's the secret: most people don't realize many of these viral animated videos are not made by hand. They are 100% AI generated. AI is writing the script, generating the voiceovers, animating the visuals, and editing the final product. It's doing all the heavy lifting, and creators are simply uploading the videos and cashing in. This is not just another side hustle, it's a digital goldmine. And the best part, you don't need expensive software, fancy equipment, or even prior experience. The AI revolution has leveled the playing field, and anyone can do this, including you. YouTube is rewarding creators like never before, TikTok is pushing engaging content to millions, and Instagram's Reels program is paying out huge bonuses. All of this means one thing: if you act now, you can ride the wave and build a wildly profitable AI animated video business before the market becomes oversaturated. So, how does it all work? How do you go from a complete beginner to making $20,000 per month with AI animated story videos? By the time you finish this video, you will have a complete roadmap. You'll know exactly which AI tools to use, how to create viral content effortlessly, and most importantly, how to turn this into a six-figure business. And trust me, you don't want to skip a single part, because every step matters. Are you ready to unlock the easiest and most scalable online business of 2025? Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing your niche. The first step to success in AI animation is picking the right niche. Not all animated videos perform the same. Some categories consistently get millions of views, while others struggle. Here are the top niches that have the highest earning potential. 1. Horror story animations. People love horror. From ghost stories to creepy urban legends, horror content is always in demand. Channels that focus on animated horror stories regularly rack up millions of views. 2. Motivational and success stories. Think of videos that narrate rags to riches stories, billionaire mindsets, and personal development journeys. These videos go viral because people crave inspiration. 3. Sci-fi and fantasy storytelling. AI-generated worlds, futuristic societies, or even short episodes of an ongoing animated series. Sci-fi is a goldmine. 4. Relationship and drama stories. Relationship advice, dating struggles, or emotional love stories. These kinds of videos keep people hooked because they are relatable. 5. Mystery and crime stories. Crime documentaries and unsolved mystery stories always do well. Add AI animation, and you create a unique storytelling experience that keeps viewers engaged. Once you pick your niche, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Generating your script using AI. You don't need to be a professional writer. AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude can generate amazing, engaging scripts in minutes. Here's how to do it. Open ChatGPT or any AI writing tool. Ask it to generate a 1000-word story in your niche. Edit the story slightly to add your own creative touch. Keep it engaging by adding cliffhangers, dialogue, and suspense. A single 10-minute video only needs about 1,200 to 1,500 words, which AI can generate in seconds. Step 3. Creating AI-generated voiceovers. Instead of recording voiceovers yourself, use AI voice generators like 11 Labs Realistic Human Voices Play.ht high-quality text-to-speech MURF.ai. Great for storytelling. Simply paste your AI-generated script, select a natural-sounding voice, and let the AI do the work. Step 4. Generating AI animated visuals. Here's where the magic happens. AI animation tools can generate the entire video for you without any manual effort. The best tools include Caber AI for cinematic animated scenes, Pika Labs for story-driven AI animations. Runway ML for AI-generated motion graphics, Animaker, easy-to-use AI animation creator. Upload your script and let the AI automatically generate animated scenes based on the story. Step 5. Editing and assembling your video. Use free software like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Canva to put everything together. Add AI voiceover, AI-generated animations, background music, captions, and subtitles. In less than an hour, you'll have a high-quality, AI-generated animated story video ready to upload. Step 6. Monetizing your videos for maximum earnings. Now, let's talk money. You can monetize these videos in multiple ways. 1. YouTube ad revenue. A single viral video can generate thousands of dollars in ad revenue. Channels that post consistently can make $10,000, $50,000 per month. 2. TikTok and Instagram Reels. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram pay creators through their bonus programs. Short animated stories perform exceptionally well. 3. Sponsorships and brand deals. Brands love partnering with engaging storytellers. Once your channel grows, you can earn $500, $5,000 per sponsored video. 4. Selling story packages on Fiverr or Upwork. People are willing to pay $100, $500 per AI-generated animation. List your services and let AI do all the work. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools in your video description. Every time someone signs up, you earn commissions. The road to $20,000 per month. Now, let's put this into perspective. If you post 3 AI animated videos per week and each gets 100,000 views, you can earn $3,000, $5,000 per month from YouTube ads alone. Add sponsorships, affiliate sales, and freelancing. Your income can easily hit $20,000 per month. This is a proven strategy. AI has changed the game and removed all the barriers. No need for expensive tools, hiring animators, or spending months on a single video. Everything is fully automated. Right now, you stand at a crossroads. You've just discovered a powerful, automated way to build an online business that could completely change your financial future. The tools are in front of you. The roadmap is clear. The potential is massive. The only thing left, action. Think about how many people will watch this video and then do nothing. They'll say, "That sounds cool," but they won't take the first step. And a year from now, nothing in their life will have changed. But then, there are the few, the ones who actually take action. The ones who try, who take that first step, who create their first AI-generated video and upload it. And guess what? Those are the people who, a few months from now, will be making thousands of dollars doing something completely automated. What if that could be you? What if, instead of wishing for a better income, you actually built one? What if, instead of dreaming about passive income, you had multiple streams of revenue bringing in money every day? What if, instead of watching others succeed, you became the person people look up to? The truth is, success doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen when you start. The biggest difference between those who succeed and those who don't is taking action today, not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. AI is not going to wait. The technology is evolving fast, and the people who jump in early will dominate this space. Those who hesitate, they'll be the ones left behind, watching from the sidelines as others cash in on the AI animation revolution. So, what will you do? Will you be the person who watches another opportunity pass by? Or will you be the one who looks back a few months from now and says, "I'm so glad I started when I did"? Because here's the reality, your future self is watching you right now. They're hoping you make the right choice. They're hoping you don't let fear or doubt stop you. They're hoping you say, "Yes, I'm doing this. The opportunity is here. The path is laid out. The only thing missing is your action." So take the first step. Start today. Your 20,000 month business is waiting for you.